now that we created the blog posts, we need to create what we call an archive page. So if we go to post and then we go to categories, and we have our blog category here, if we view it, this is what we get. It's what we call the archive, and it doesn't look very, very good. So we would want to just have a very good archive page. Even when I click, let's say, on a single page, we need to create two templates. We need to create the single page and we need to create the archive page. So we are going to get started with the archive page where we have very, very, very good archive page created. So it's usually a template. So we'll go to templates and then go to saved templates. And then we are going to go to add a new template. And then this time it's an archive page. We will just name it as archive like that. Then we just create that template. As usual, we need to have my dashboard there. So this is our archive template. So what we are going to do, we're going to create as usual a flexbox like that, and we're going to put a minimum height. We talked about VH of around 40 or 30, whichever. 30 is good. Then we go to style, then we go to background type, and this time we're going to use our accent. So I usually never love reinventing the wheel. If I have a headline here, I usually copy it and paste it here. Okay? And I just delete everything there and I click on this dynamic tag and I'm going to have an archive title just like that. So I will click here, go to layout and put everything center, and I put everything justified center and things aligned the center. So this is our archive uh, template, our archive page. Next, I'm going to add what we call archive posts such that our images and our archive looks just right amazing. So I'm going to click on the container, put a padding top and bottom of 3 3 uh, like that, and link everything. I put 3 top, 3 bottom, and I'm going to edit my archive posts. And I'm going just to remain with these 3 columns. It's okay. And I'm going to have uh, image resolution of full 0.66. It's okay. Which you can change the image ratio depending on where you want your images to be. 0.55 seems pretty right and okay for me as well. And we are going to have the title HTML tag. This is very good for SEO. What do you want the title HTML tag to be? Is it H3 or H2? And put them as H2. Show that they're quite important. So the excerpt length, I can put it at 30. This is the excerpt. Yeah? It doesn't change here. And the metadata, I don't want comments. I don't have comments. I just put the date as of now. And do I really need the read more? No, I don't really need the read more. So we have the pagination. Pagination, you can do numbers and next, previous next, like this. You have a page limit, or you can do it numbers and previous next, such that you have something like this. This is what I use. So, and advanced is basically a nothing found message. So let's go to the image and the styling of this thing. And what we are going to do is that we are going to have a border radius of around 10 for our image. Okay? But I really need to um, look for the card uh, so that I just don't edit the image. I edit the whole card itself. So I'm going to change the skin to cards such that they are actually in this layout. And I'm going to remove the badge. The badge is basically this blog thing you're seeing here. I'm going to remove that. And uh, I don't have multiple authors as of now. It's just me. So there's no need for me to have the avatar as well. So I am going to go to the styling and I'm going to the card. And in my card, I want the background color to be white. Okay, the card. I want to have a border radius of 10 and can do a horizontal padding like that of around 15 as well, like that. Yes. So I don't need any vertical padding. Uh, so from my image, that one is too much. Let me just have that. Go to my content. For my title, I can have it at maybe text, and my typography can start with H4 or H5, whichever will be good for me. H5 is not that bad, but H4 is also not bad at all. And I can see for my cards, let me just remove again the read more and comments. I don't really need comments here. Yeah. So for my content, I will put my meta just as that gray, such that is quite faded. And I'll put my typography as tiny body text. And I'm going to have my excerpt text, and I'll put it at small body text like that. So pagination, this one, uh, we can have the normal color can be like that. Hover can be that, and when it's active, it can be that, such that we have that. Or we can have hover of that and normal of accent, such that it's just different from the text. Something like that, but doesn't look very conspicuous. So let's just retain how it was. So basically, we already are done with our archive page. Where do you want to display your template? Just put posts archive and say save, close. Now, when we go back now to our posts and categories and we view our blog uh, like that, oh, really need to uh, come here, display conditions, and say, so now let us put as all archives and say save and refresh this. And we are going to have our beautiful, beautiful blog archive. So let us double our excerpt just a bit and uh, have our excerpt length um, quite big. Actually, it's uh, let us have it like that. See, Add custom accept. Really don't know what is usually wrong with the accept. Let us just check how the accept will be. Yeah, as we get 100, become again too big. So yeah, that is what we are having, and this is now how to do an archive uh, template.